Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha. Today we are performing a career and business reading for Sun Sign Cancer for the year 2021. If you or someone close to you belongs to Cancer zodiac, this video could be useful. Please watch this video till the end and please remember to press the subscribe button. I have pre-drawn these 3 cards for you already. This card represents your past, this card represents your present, and this card represents your future. Let's start the reading. The Death card in your recent past shows that you were too dependent on things which were not really working for you. Some of you were just not happy with your job, but you were scared of change. Some of you were quite impacted with the pandemic in your job or your business also. You did not know how to accept the change or how to change the scenario, or it was not suiting your business somehow. So, sometimes we need to accept the change and we have to think differently than what we are doing. That sometimes helps us out. Financially also, this card shows that you have faced a lot of difficulties in your recent past due to loss in job or due to drop in income, and it has really impacted you, but the good thing is you have come out positive. This card, the Hermit, indicates that because of these tough financial issues in your recent past, you are putting too much focus on career and money right now. You also need to focus on your health and happiness. You have to see an overall picture. You need to be open to what is happening and try to be happy, not too focused, not too stressed out. You seem to be questioning yourself a lot these days. Just money may no longer be enough to motivate you, You need to consider doing something you like. Financially also, this is the time to plan your finances well. In your future, this card, the Hangman, in career context indicates that for those who are feeling as though their career is stagnant and you are unable to grow in your career, here you need to know that you need to calm down a little. You will get time for everything. You need to get an answer. So understand that you don't have to make that decision right now. So just relax and wait for things to unfold. Things will become clearer with time. For those facing financial issues also, this card, the Hangman, indicates that you need to change your mindset. Do not let your thoughts rule you. Your positive thinking will pull you out of all financial crises. See, as I said, you just have to think positive. You've already come out positive from what you were facing initially. Now you just need to think positively to come out of these financial crises which you have faced. You may have to slow down a little and let ideas flow to your mind, and you will be able to solve these issues. There are actually going to be new issues coming future. Overall, these cards are very good in your career or business reading. With this, we have reached the end of this session, and I hope I was able to help you in a small way. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and let me know in the comment section what topic you would like me to cover next. See you in the next video.